Mendel's laws of inheritance. In the 1860s, an Austrian monk named Gregor Mendel introduced a new theory of inheritance based on his experimental work with pea plants. Prior to Mendel, most people believed inheritance was due to a blending of parental essences, much like how mixing blue and yellow paint will produce a green color. Gregor Mendel artificially cross-pollinated pea plants with a variety of different traits, height, seed color, seed texture, and others. When Mendel crossed homozygous tall plants with homozygous short plants, all the peas from these plants produced tall pea plants in the next generation. When Mendel crossed yellow-seeded plants with green-seeded plants, all the peas from these plants produced yellow-seeded pea plants in the next generation. This led Mendel to conclude that when two different characteristics of a trait are crossed, the dominant one tends to be seen in the next generation and the recessive one tends not to show up. This concept is called Mendel's law of dominance and is used to define dominance in modern terms. Genetic inheritance boils down to three simple concepts put forth by Gregor Mendel, a humble monk and part-time scientist who founded the entire discipline of genetics. Segregation. In diploid organisms, chromosome pairs and their alleles are separated into individual gametes, eggs or sperm, to transmit genetic information to offspring. Dominance. A dominant allele completely masks the effects of a recessive allele. A dominant allele produces the same phenotype in heterozygotes and in homozygotes. Independent assortment. Alleles on different chromosomes are distributed randomly to individual gametes.